After starting IronCAD for the first time, a screen with introductory exercises appears. You can close this screen for now by clicking the cross in the top right corner so that we can set up IronCAD according to our preferences. The exercises offered are certainly useful for new users, but can also later be easily accessed via menu, help, and interactive tutorial. IronCAD also offers the Learning Center on the Welcome screen, where you will also find a link to the Academy, a comprehensive source of information about how the program works. From the Welcome screen, click on 3D Scene in order to open the Options menu via this button. IronCAD can be configured to your liking in many areas. Think of standard file locations, keyboard shortcuts, camera settings, and technical drawing details. This can be done manually, but we advise new users to load our preferred settings all at once. It's easy and fast! To do this, click Load in the Options window and select the settings file that we offer as a download. After clicking the Open button, the settings will be loaded and you can close the window with OK. These settings are in line with our course and informational videos.